everybody, I just thought I'd give you a quick Nemesis update. So, let's go. So, as we can see, the loop's gone in since we were last here. The helix and also the corkscrew. Now, if we see over there aren't any track pieces left. However, as you see, hello to the monorail. So yeah, so the first few pieces of the first drop still need to go in.
Everything
and
is under control.
Also, the work on the station continues. So the wooden piece that used to be there is now gone, since it came in as a bit of theming or something. So yeah, and also painting of the station has increased as well. So yeah, big updates. Now obviously I can get my camera in here as they've blocked off the door window thingies. So yeah, not too much progress here. I think this is going to look the same for a while, but yeah. So that brings me to the end of this Nemesis construction. Like, quite short, but yeah, not a lot's happened. So should be a couple more bits on the station and last few track bits to go in. So yeah, subscribe for more updates and see you next video.